create, and we're going to do custom size. We want to change the units to inches, and we're going to make this 12 by 12. And I'm just going to pick a random design because I just want to show you guys how to set up your your printer so you can print your own 12 by 12 cardstock. So I'm just going to make this one right here. So I'm going to go over here to share, download, and I'm going to change this to PDF print. So I'm going to open up what I just downloaded. Okay, so this is open. We're gonna go over here to your printer. So I'm gonna file print. Then you're gonna choose your printer. So it's already in here as the Epson EcoTank 8550. So I'm gonna go down here to, so I'm gonna go down here to paper size. And I'm gonna do manage custom sizes. And then here, I'm going to push this add button, and I'm going to change the title of this to 12 by 12. I'm going to put cardstock. All right, and then for the width, I'm going to change this to 12, and for the height, I'm going to change this to 12 as well. On here, fill entire paper. I'm going to go to printer options, and I want to make sure that it's on color matching. And then for printer settings, I'm going to have it print from standard, and I'm going to pick the rear paper feeder. I'm going to change the media to premium presentation matte. Print quality, I'm going to put high quality. I'm going to push OK here. Then we'll set it up on the printer. All right, so here is the 12 by 12 cardstock I'm going to be using. I purchased this off of Amazon. So as you can see right here, it says 12 by 12 inches, and it's going to be bright white. All right, so I'm just going to open this up here and add my cardstock. I push print again. I put it on the rear paper feeder, and I just put my default setting in my Mac to 12 by 12 paper for my custom size. So we're gonna see if that works. I went to my settings on my Mac, and I went to printers and scanners. I put my default printer as the Epson ET-8550. And I just changed the default paper size to this 12 by 12 cardstock. So this is just my first time printing out on the 12 by 12 cardstock. I'll probably have to play around with the settings to see if I can get it to either go faster or to see if the color quality is how I want it to be. So if I don't like it, then I'll play with the color quality. But we're going to see what it looks like straight off of the printer being set up and the settings that I showed you on my MacBook before I press print. Alright you guys, so I wanted to show you guys the progress so far. It's looking really good. The only thing I see is it looks like it still put the border on it, so I have to play with the settings to find out how I can make it print to the entire page. I thought I pushed that, but it might be something I have to just play around with. But so far so good, and the print is coming out really good. The colors look really good. All right, there you guys have it. My first 12 by 12 printing on the sheet. You guys can follow those same directions as I did to do yours to make your own custom setting in your computer. And look how beautiful that turned out. That turned out amazing. Like I said, I'm gonna go and try to figure out how I can print it so it doesn't have like these white borders on it. But either way, it turned out really good. Thank you guys for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Take care. Stay blessed.